Hi all, welcome back to another session on Mulesoft. So in this session, I would be talking about how Mulesoft consumes the REST web services. So let's see how that can be done. So without any further ado, let's start with the implementation. So I'll create a new project, name it as REST service demo and finish. So it has created the project here with the project name as the service name. So what I'll now do is I'll drag and drop the listener. Yeah. So I'll configure the listener details here. So by clicking on plus, click OK, and I'll say REST WS demo. And keep it as REST WS demo and leave it as is. Now what I'll do is after I got the after I created the connector, I wanted to use the favorite one, which is pet store API one. So how can we invoke the pet store API from this? So let me go here and yeah, let me copy the get by status. So if I try it out, yeah, so this is the URL that is expecting. So in order to hit that, we need to pass the what do you say, query parameters as status is equal to available. So what I'll do is I'll create a variable first. And the variable name, I'll keep it as status. The value, I'll take it at runtime. So it's attributes dot query params dot status. And once that is set, what I need to do is I wanted to invoke the REST URL. So for this, I'll use the HTTP core module in this, which is request. And in the request, I'll set the configuration. So we go here and it is HTTPS and the host is petstore.swagger.io and there is no port for it. I'll click OK. So it has created me this. I'll give the path. The path is from here to here. So let's see how Mulesoft gives that path. So I'll paste this slash. So I'll place a slash at the front. Yeah, that's fine. Now I need method is get here and in the query params, I need to call that variable which we created. So key is status. The value is where start. So it is not coming up here. So let me keep it as function status and it is where start status. Save it. And I wanted to log the response in Postman. I mean the payload from the Postman. Pull it in the Postman. So I'll say set payload. So whatever request is coming up, just log it here. So that will log the payload here. And that's it. We are ready to rock and roll now. So I'll run the project. So let's give it some time. And in the meanwhile, let's build the project here. So it's http colon host 8081 slash rest ws demo. think so. This is the one. Yeah. It's WS demo and passing the status is available. So let's see if this is deployed or not. So it is still building. Let's give it some more time. It's in the final steps now. Give it some more time. Yep, it is deployed. Now let me run this. See the when we hit the URL, it has internally hit the pet store API, and using the set payload, it has given us the output. So this is how you do the REST service consumption in Mulesoft. Thank you.